Hey guys, good morning. Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab with my fancy hat. It's hot out here in Florida. All right, so I am at Big 3 Diesel today in Tampa, Florida, off of Maisland Drive. And I'm about to paint the hood of this Denali HD. Let me show it to you. I'm gonna be removing these Duramax decals. I am likely going to remove this chrome piece so that I can paint, but really the concern is all this bird shit everywhere, and it's etched in and they can't get it off. Missing some clear coat there, so I'm gonna do my best in this freaking wind. I'm gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up and then get it masked up, and then I'll bring you back when I've got some more to show. But that is the damage that we're attempting to repair. There's all that bird shit etching. So I got the paint, got the clear, got my rig. Look at that. All right, I'm on it. I'll bring you back when I got something else to show you. All right, I've got the decals off. So the decals are off. I got everything wiped down real good with 99% alcohol. I got this chrome panel removed and I cleaned all the jam for that. That is over here. So now I'm gonna pop the hood and get the cowl all masked up, and then I'll mask up the entire truck and get to sanding and get to painting. Looks like I will likely have to blow in a little bit of paint here and probably in here, depending on how it turns out after I sand it. So anyway, got a little prep work to do, and then we'll get to spraying. I'll bring you back. Okay, I've got her all masked off. Anytime you're in an area where there might be other cars present, I always want to mask. We mask every single vehicle just like this. If I'm not painting it, it isn't exposed. Everything's covered up. I've got everything sealed up around this hood. The seal inside is covered, and then the hood is on top of that. So I got a little gap where I can blow in a little bit of paint on the edge. I can access the sides of this here. I've taped up that little area so that nothing goes inside there. And we're about to start prepping. I'm actually gonna pull out my little gazebo. I just brought my little 8x8 today. So I'm gonna put that up real quick. This panel's kind of hot. We are in direct sunlight, so we don't want that. So I'm gonna get that straight, and yeah, I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm about to start spraying some color. I got all of the bird bomb areas primed up. I'm gonna give it one more wipe down and a tack cloth, and then I'm gonna get some color sprayed on this thing, and then it's gonna get 2 coats of high solids clear, and then put back together and unmask, and she'll be good to go. All right, I'm gonna get some color shot. All right, I am weak and parched. Color match, as you can see, is freaking spot on. Kudos to me for mixing that paint up. Got the messed up chrome piece back on there. It needs to be cut and buffed, but I didn't use a mobile clear. I used a real clear because they have higher solids generally and last a lot longer. So this thing will have to wait about a week. But you can see it looks absolutely stunning. And I painted this thing out in the open, right as you see it, with the Drizzle DX, or the Drizzle X. I absolutely used this guy today on this job. Worked out very well compared to having a compressor and all the things. But I just spoke with the owners of this thing about doing a color match, removing these decals off the side and doing all the chrome and body color. I think that looks super hot. These people are really good people. They've been really nice to me. Big 3 Diesel and Automotive in Tampa. If you need automotive work done or have a diesel, this is where you'd need to go to get her knocked out. Big 3 Diesel and Automotive Repair. Just want to give people who are good to me, get a shout out from me. I do whatever I can to help people who help me, that's for sure. Because you know what? We're not alone in this world. And people are pickier and pickier. No more bird shit issues, which was the major problem before. So that's good. All right. Again, with just a little cut and buff, which I'll do in a couple of weeks. I'll come back over here. We're probably gonna end up doing the color match. I'll get a little bit more of that orange peel out. But color match is good. Paint looks great. I'm almost packed up and my job here is done. If you need body and paint, whether it's mobile, smart repair, or if you need some collision work done, or if you need a full-blown respray, give me a call, 813-846-4406. Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.